Welcome. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm using trend lines at the moment on a 15-minute intraday chart to make anywhere from $100 to $500 a day. I'm going to go into the computer screen so I can show you exactly what's going on, my thought process behind these trades and behind these decisions, and then you can watch me show exactly how I'd place this trade, where I'd place it, why I'd place it there. I'm going to show you the volume, what to look out for, what are the key indicators to look out for, and then you're going to actually see it rally up and take effect. So let's get into the computer. I'm just going to remove the volume for a second just so you get a full picture of what's actually going on here on the trade. So I'm going to keep it nice and simple. This is a 5-minute interval. We're trading on a 5-minute chart here. I'm just going to show you gold. I did a quick short video on this, actually the video before this one, but I wanted to show you more in depth into the decision I made and where I sold and why I sold. So let's first off start with from the very beginning. So you always want to get a full picture of the trade, why it's done what it's done. So when I first open up a 5-minute chart, I look straight away at what's happened before. So I've seen that it's come down, it's made lower lows and lower highs as well. So it's come down, sort of consolidated, come down, gone up a tiny bit, come back down, and we've hit sort of support here. So it's come back up off its support. It's touched its resistance, which could be, it could absolutely be the low here. So the low over here has coincided with this resistance. It's bounced down then, down towards that support again. As you can see, it's touched that support, the same area of the first low here, and then it's rallied from this support here back up to the highs again. This time it's gone towards, if I'm going to take any guess, its highs here will be somewhere around the highs over here. Come back down now again, touch that support zone again, rallied up. We've come back down again, touch that support zone, put a trend line across here, wait for that trend line to be broken. It's broke the trend line, it's come down a tiny little bit, consolidated a tiny bit, but then look, it's absolutely rallied up all the way up here. It's made a really nice gain today. If you were in this trade and you bought here on this break of the trend line and used, I don't know, 30-to-1 leverage or whatever leverage you wanted to use, you could have made a really nice few $100 here, or a few thousand depending on your leverage, depending on the amount of money that you wanted to put into that trade. Where I sold was here, which was a break of the trend line. So what you want to do is you want to pull that trend line from the low or the support here, run it up to at least 3 touch points, which you can see 1, 2 and 3. We've had 3 touch points. It's come below that trend line, and as you can see now it's starting to drop, and that's because it's lost its support up on this trend line. Now we're going to hopefully wait for this trade to come down somewhat down here, back to hit this support again and make the exact same trade all over again. Come down, hopefully rally up again, exactly how it's done here. And so that's my it's not my prediction, but that's what we're hoping for it to do, and that's exactly where I would make a trade, why I've made this trade, and what happened during this trade. So as you can see, there's a lot of lines here, but I won't get confused by all these lines. All you're really looking for is a pattern. So as you can see, the pattern is that it's come down and gone back up, come down, gone back up, come down, gone up. It's found its support down here. Now we're putting a trend line up along its highs, tracking them highs. As soon as it breaks that trend line, we're selling short. That's exactly how I traded that. You know, if you want to know more information on how I'm taking these trades, and you want some signals for these specific trades, and you wanted to learn how to trade like me and learn from someone who's profitable and who knows what they're doing, as you can see, then I suggest you subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting content sort of like 5 times a week, something like that, to help you get off and help you go to the races. But other than that, thanks for watching the video. I hope this helps in any way, shape or form in your trading career. If you do want some more advice or tips and tricks, or you want to learn from me myself, drop me a comment, you know, on this video, or subscribe, and I'll help you out personally. I've been Matt. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.